Yes? Especially when you started to throw rocks instead of dirt bugs. Actually, mud ball wars are more fun. Like out at the lake, you just go get a big old handful of muck. Right in the face. Sand in the eyes. It burns!